How to tap into your VA bonus entitlement. Hi, I'm Adam Lesner, mortgage lender out of Michigan. Wanted to talk a little bit today about the bonus VA entitlement that every veteran does have access to and how to tap into it. I've heard so many times borrowers, even lenders saying, well, no, I already have my VA loan, I've used it before, and it's just too much of a pain to use it again. In reality, that's just plain false, okay? So I'm gonna give you two examples of exactly how you can use your VA bonus entitlement, real life examples. So, first example, looking at a relocation. Let's say you have a house in Kentucky, right? You have a VA loan on that house, and let's say the loan amount's $200,000. All of a sudden you get relocated to Michigan and you need to use your VA loan again. Most people will tell you, well, sorry, you got to sell the house first, you can't do it, and you can only use your VA loan one at a time. Many folks will say that because they just don't understand how VA loans work. Now, here's the trick. When you're buying the second home or the new primary residence, your minimum loan amount has to be at least $144,000. That's how you tap in to that bonus entitlement. So, for example, if you have that $200,000 home in Kentucky, you want to buy another $200,000 home in Michigan, as long as you qualify given the rest of the other guidelines and everything like that, you are able to tap into that bonus entitlement. Let's look at scenario number two. Let's say you have a foreclosure back from 1995 on a VA loan and you still owe the VA $7,000. Most of the time, you're going to hear, oh, sorry, you have to get that restored in order to get a mortgage, and you owe the VA money, so I'm sorry, I can't get a VA loan for you. False. That's not the case. Number one most important thing that you do is you have to apply for that bonus entitlement. The only way you do that is by applying for a mortgage of $144,000 or above. An easy rule that I use is you can't have more than $417,000 of VA funding at one time. So if you own a home for $300,000 and you have the VA loan on it, and you want to buy another house for $300,000, you use your VA loan, probably not going to happen. And again, it's just a rule of thumb. Every county is different, every situation is different. The other thing that you want to keep in mind is every circumstance is different as far as what you can be approved for when owning multiple properties and how those properties can be converted into second homes or investment properties. You know, sometimes there's, you have to have a lease agreement and a proof of security deposit, or you have to have a certain amount of equity in the house, but at the end of the day, everybody's going to have, all the lenders are going to have different overlays and things like that, but they should be able to walk you through it. Of course, I've used my VA loan benefit personally about, I want to say 6 times. A couple in North Carolina, 1 in Kentucky, 2 in Michigan. Even if you've had it before and you think that there's a max amount of time, I'm telling you right now, you can use it multiple times. It's a gift that keeps on giving. It's one of the greatest benefits that you have as a veteran to take advantage of. So if you're having multiple VA loans at one time though, just keep in mind that it is going to get maxed out. You can't have 5 different properties on a VA loan, okay? If you're going to do that, you have to restore your VA entitlement by selling one of the properties that you have or refinancing it into a conventional loan or something along those lines. So any questions, reach out to me. Happy to talk with you. If you're watching this, you're probably a veteran, so I appreciate your service, and Semper Fidelis.